Nestled in the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, lies the city of Shikarpur. This city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is often overlooked by travelers, yet it holds a treasure trove of stories and experiences waiting to be discovered. From its ancient streets to its bustling markets, Shikarpur is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. This ancient city is a hidden gem, its streets are lined with historical buildings that tell tales of a bygone era. Walking through these streets, one can almost hear the echoes of the past, the whispers of merchants and travelers who once thronged this city. It whispers tales of a glorious past. The old storytellers of Shikarpur keep these tales alive, passing them down from generation to generation. These stories are not just about the city's history, but also about its people, their struggles and their triumphs. Shikarpur was a vibrant hub of trade and culture for centuries. Its markets were filled with goods from all over the world, and its festivals were a celebration of its diverse culture. Today, these markets and festivals continue to be a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Its story is interwoven with the Indus River. The river has been the lifeblood of Shikarpur, providing it with the resources it needed to thrive. The ancient structures along its banks stand as a reminder of the city's deep connection with the river. The river has nourished the land and shaped its destiny. The fertile lands around the river have supported agriculture for centuries, providing sustenance to the city's inhabitants. The river scenes with boats and life around them paint a picture of a city that has always been in harmony with nature. Today, Shikarpur stands as a testament to Sindh's rich heritage. Its monuments and heritage sites are a window into the past, showcasing the architectural brilliance of the Sindhi people. The traditional Sindhi architecture is a blend of various influences, reflecting the city's diverse history. It offers a captivating blend of history, nature, and culture. The lush gardens and historical streets provide a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The cultural dance performances are a vibrant display of the city's artistic heritage, bringing its history to life. Join us as we journey through the streets of Shikarpur and uncover its secrets. From the hidden alleys to the bustling markets, every corner of this city has a story to tell. So come along and experience the magic of Shikarpur, a city where the past and present come together in a beautiful tapestry of history, culture, and nature. Shikarpur was once known as the Paris of the East. This was due to its bustling trade and cosmopolitan atmosphere. The city's strategic location on major trade routes brought immense wealth. Caravans laden with spices, textiles, and precious goods traversed its dusty paths. They connected the Indian subcontinent to Central Asia and beyond. The echoes of this vibrant past resonate in Shikarpur's historic bazaars. These markets are a treasure trove of handicrafts, traditional garments, and aromatic spices. Shikarpur's landscape is a captivating blend of contrasts. This region, nestled in the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, is a place where nature's diversity is on full display. From the lush green fields that stretch as far as the eye can see to the arid deserts that seem to go on forever, Shikarpur is a land of extremes. The juxtaposition of these contrasting elements creates a unique and mesmerizing tapestry that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. The lifeblood of this region is the mighty Indus River. This ancient river has been the cradle of civilization for millennia, providing sustenance and life to the people and the land. Its waters are a source of nourishment, supporting agriculture and sustaining the diverse ecosystems that thrive along its banks. Its waters meander through the plains, carving a path through the landscape and creating a network of waterways that irrigate the fields. The river's gentle flow is a stark contrast to the harshness of the surrounding desert, a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature. They create a fertile belt amidst the arid landscape. This green oasis is a testament to the power of water and its ability to transform even the most barren of lands into a thriving paradise. The fertile soil along the riverbanks supports a wide variety of crops, from wheat and rice to fruits and vegetables. The riverbank is fringed with lush green fields. These fields are a vibrant patchwork of colors, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers. The sight of these verdant fields is a stark contrast to the surrounding desert, a reminder of the resilience and ingenuity of the people who call this region home. These fields are a testament to the area's agricultural richness. The abundance of crops and the variety of produce grown here are a testament to the fertility of the soil and the skill of the farmers. The agricultural bounty of Shikarpur is a source of pride for the local community and a vital part of the region's economy. Beyond the river's embrace lies the stark beauty of the desert. This vast expanse of sand and rock is a harsh and unforgiving landscape, but it is also a place of great beauty and wonder. The desert is a place where the forces of nature are on full display, a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. The desert stretches as far as the eye can see. This seemingly endless expanse of sand dunes and rocky outcrops is a place of solitude and tranquility. The vastness of the desert is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a reminder of the smallness of humanity in the face of nature's grandeur. It is a reminder of nature's raw power. The desert is a place where the elements reign supreme, a landscape shaped by the forces of wind and sun. It is a place of extremes where life is both fragile and resilient, a testament to the enduring power of nature. Despite the challenging desert climate, agriculture thrives in Shikarpur. The Indus River provides life-giving water. It transforms the arid land into fertile fields. Farmers here have mastered the art of cultivating crops like wheat, cotton, and dates. These crops are not only a source of sustenance, but also important trade commodities. The resilience of the people and their deep connection to the land are evident. They have adapted to survive and thrive in this challenging environment. Section 5. The rhythm of the sun, life in a hot desert climate. The climate in Shikarpur is characterized by its extremes. Summers are scorching hot. The sun beats down relentlessly. The winters are mild and short-lived. Life in Shikarpur revolves around the rhythm of the sun. People have adapted their daily routines to cope with the heat. Activities slow down during the hottest hours. As the sun begins to set, the city comes alive with renewed energy. Section 6. The Soul of Sindh. Traditions, art and cuisine in Shikarpur. Shikarpur is a cultural melting pot. This ancient city, with its rich history, has been a crossroads of various civilizations, each leaving its indelible mark on the local culture. The streets of Shikarpur are alive with the vibrant colors of traditional Sindhi attire, the sounds of local dialects and the aromas of delicious street food. The city's markets are a testament to its diversity, where traders from different backgrounds come together, creating a unique blend of traditions and modernity. It embodies the true spirit of Sindh. The people of Shikarpur are known for their resilience and warmth. Festivals here are celebrated with great enthusiasm, reflecting the community's deep-rooted love for their heritage. From the joyous celebrations of Eid to the colorful festivities of Holi, every event is marked by a sense of unity and joy. The traditional dances, music and rituals are a window into the soul of Sindhi culture, showcasing the community's rich history and vibrant present. The city's rich heritage is reflected in its vibrant traditions, art forms and cuisine. Sindhi hospitality is legendary. The intricate designs of Sindhi embroidery, the delicate craftsmanship of local artisans and the mesmerizing performances of traditional dancers all tell a story of a culture that values beauty and expression. The local cuisine, with its rich flavors and aromatic spices, is a testament to the region's culinary expertise. Every dish is prepared with love and care, making every meal a memorable experience. Visitors are greeted with warmth and generosity. The people of Shikarpur take great pride in their tradition of hospitality. Guests are treated like family, and every effort is made to ensure they feel at home. From the moment you step into a Sindhi household, you are enveloped in an atmosphere of warmth and kindness. The traditional welcome, with its rituals and customs, is a beautiful expression of the community's values and beliefs. The rhythmic beats of Sufi music fill the air. Music is an integral part of life in Shikarpur. The soulful melodies of Sufi songs, accompanied by traditional instruments, create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. These performances are not just entertainment, they are a spiritual experience, connecting the audience to the divine. The music festivals in Shikarpur are a celebration of this rich musical heritage, bringing together artists and enthusiasts from all over the region. They create an atmosphere of joy and celebration. The festivals in Shikarpur are a sight to behold. The streets come alive with the sounds of music and laughter as people from all walks of life come together to celebrate. The traditional dances, with their intricate steps and vibrant costumes, are a visual treat. The sense of community and togetherness is palpable, making every festival a truly unforgettable experience. The tantalizing aromas of Sindhi biryani and other culinary delights tantalize the taste buds. The cuisine of Shikarpur is a reflection of its rich cultural heritage. Each dish tells a story with recipes passed down through generations. The flavors are bold and the ingredients are fresh, making every bite a delight. From the spicy biryani to the sweet desserts, the food in Shikarpur is a feast for the senses. The traditional kitchens, with their age-old cooking methods, add to the charm, making every meal a journey into the heart of Sindhi culture. Section 7. Architectural marvels exploring Shikarpur's historical treasures. Shikarpur is home to a remarkable collection of architectural wonders. These structures stand as a testament to its glorious past. The Shikarpur fort, with its imposing structure, harks back to a bygone era. Intricately carved wooden havelis, or mansions, line the narrow streets. These havelis showcase the exquisite craftsmanship of a bygone era. The city's numerous Sufi shrines are not only places of worship but also centers of peace and tranquility. Section 8. A tapestry of heritage, the enduring spirit of Shikarpur. Shikarpur is a city that wears its heritage proudly. Despite the passage of time, it has managed to preserve its unique character. The spirit of resilience, tolerance, and cultural vibrancy continues to thrive. The city's historical legacy is intertwined with the warmth and hospitality of its people. Shikarpur stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of Sindh. It is a place where history comes alive. Section 9. Invitation to a hidden gem. Shikarpur is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its blend of history, culture, and natural beauty offers a unique travel experience. As you wander through its bustling bazaars, marvel at its architectural wonders, and interact with its warm-hearted people, you'll be captivated by the city's charm. So come and explore the magic of Shikarpur.